Hey guys, welcome to Crypto in Action. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to transfer your crypto from your Bybit Futures account wallet into your Bybit spot wallet. Okay, it's a very simple process, and I promise you by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do this. Okay, I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is to go to your bybit.com. Okay, and when you get there, you just need to log in. All right, and once you log in, you'll come to this page here. This is Bybit's homepage. Now what you want to do is hover up to the far top right. Okay, now you want to touch this box here, and now there's going to be a drop down menu. Okay, on the drop down menu, you want to select asset. Okay, click on asset, and then from there select asset overview. Okay, it's going to bring you to a different page. Now when you get to this page, on the far right at the top here, you want to click on transfer, and then there's going to be this box that pops up, and then this is where you can basically transfer the money that's in your Bybit Futures wallet into your Bybit spot wallet. So now what you want to do is, you know where it says from? Okay, so click on that, and on the drop down menu you want to select derivatives. Okay, so we want to select derivatives, and then in the to section, make sure you select spot. Okay, because we want to transfer it from the derivatives wallet into the spot wallet. Okay, once you have that selected, now at the bottom we want to select the coin that we're going to be transferring. So click on this box here and then select the coin that you like to transfer. Okay, these are the options that you have here on Bybit. Okay, so let's say for example you want to transfer USDT, then select USDT, and then at the bottom here it will tell you how much you have, like how much you have in your wallet there for that coin. Okay, so you want to put the amount that you like to transfer right in this box right here. Okay, you put the amount. Now after you put the amount, then you will click on confirm. Okay, once you confirm it, then the money will be moved from your Bybit Futures wallet into your spot wallet. That's how easy and simple it is to transfer your money from Bybit Futures wallet into Bybit spot wallet. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.